guys, here with another video. I just got to the garage. I brought my 240, as you can see in the background. So today we're going to be working on our van's IS300. Gonna probably get the subframe today, or at least we're going to try to. And from there we're probably going to start working on the handbrakes, cables install, basically get everything for the rear portion of the car done, so we can get the car dropped back on the ground. And then all you gotta do is work on the front end, which is, let's see what we got going. We got the new radiator support. Gotta get this right here cut out, and then we could weld in the new radiator support. So got a lot of work cut out for us. We're gonna see how much we get done today, and I think we get a decent bit done. But I'll update you guys as we go, and I'll let you know. I'll show you when Darwin arrives. Alright, so Darwin's here now.
Back, man.
And he has the CRV that we worked on in the second to last video.
Not gonna lie, it's actually acting very good right now. Brakes, they're good to change. It's actually very good. And my serpentine belt, I have not heard it ever since, but I also like be playing music very loud, so I don't know. But this is going up today. Maybe.
Hopefully.
This might be going up today. I also got the e-brake cables. I did not show this last video at all, or me actually removing them. They're not like very easy. Well, they are easy to remove. So I think all I really did was just use WD-40 and needle nose pliers, and then just squeeze them out, and it worked. So now I get to install these, courtesy of my boy, not snitching them out. But yeah, now I got these to install, and that means the subframe could go back up. Maybe. So
we also did some work to the engine over here.
Oh yeah.
And by work, I mean we took it apart. So we got the coil packs out, it replaced the spark plugs. We have new wires to put in along with the coils.
Yeah, I got them today. Same as that I could actually do. Where's my battery?
Oh, it's on charge over there.
Oh, I'm starting this tonight.
We're gonna do that basically after we do this. So subframe is up, and then
Well, I gotta put the cables up.
cables first.
Yeah, cables, and then it's so much easier to do it. Like if I put the cables on first, because I have a lot of space. If I put them on first and then do the subframe. All I know is 100%. This is the left side. Has a big L on it, which means it's left side.
Big L.
And I also did try putting it on. It goes in this way. And yeah, and now I got new of these, which means that I got my car running and driving, and I could do going to a track.
Safely go to.
Where's it at? Now we got two new parts. It's just one part, but that's for the engine, so I could actually be able to turn it on today, maybe. But these are, most likely, these are the little boots that I need for it, or for the coil packs. And then these should be my spark plug wires, but I don't know. So, fridge magnet, because if I don't, did I get two? Oh, I thought I got, okay. I don't want to put this up.
What is it?
Saturn Ion? I don't want to put this up. I don't want to do that.
Saturn Ions are bad.
Well, I gotta fill that thingy, that big toolbox. Because if I fill that up...
The fridge.
Huh?
The fridge.
Yeah, them too. Let's see. Yep. Get my cables. That means I can start the car today. Yo, this is your vehicle. If it was, a SUV. I'm surprised they actually gave me two of them.
That's not bad. That's tough.
They never give me two.
Yeah, you never usually get that lucky.
These are my... These don't even say what they are. All I know is that they're made in Taiwan. And you can really hear the squeak in
No, yeah. Every video you hear it.
Now all we need is 600 more. That's it. And it's done after that. Because big toolbox. Yeah, so these are the brake shoes that I'm actually install. These are a project move, which means it will allow me to actually drift better, and it will actually lock up the back wheels. as I'm trying to actually go drifting. But you guys will see me drift with these on. Probably, hopefully soon. But I honestly don't know because I don't know if I'm making it to the track. They go like this. They go like this and this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, no. This goes like this. Because this needs to be poking out. So it goes just like that. So then, what? These would literally just go like that. Maybe. We'll see. I honestly don't know. I've never done this before.
So to start out, we're just moving this piece of hardware for the handbrake cable to go in. Moving this over to the new brake shoe. Now we got to continue watching the video to find out how to put these back in because drum brakes suck. So I got the one transferred over to this brake shoe. He's working currently on this one.
I bent it back.
So you take this little clip, you have to unbend it on the old one, and then you slip this whole unit off.
Oh, yeah.
Hardware comes with the new one, and then you slip this on. There's a little washer underneath, and then this right here, slide it on, and then clip it closed, and then the hardware is now attached to the new brake shoe.
And I'm still working on this one because
Alright,
this,
so
yeah,
got this one on here. I'm gonna crimp that closed.
that did not work at all. That is not going good.
So right now we're looping the handbrake in the back, the backing plate, so we can loop it over to here and get it hooked up to the brake shoes. And we're gonna have to do the other side too. We're trying to do both sides kind of at the same time, so you stay on the same step.
Hold up, there you go. This side's good.
We got this whole side completely assembled. Pull that handbrake, pull the cable.
Oh, hold up.
As you can see,
adjusted though.
yeah, pull it.
That's max as it goes right there.
See, as you can see, it moves out how it's supposed to. There's a star wheel adjuster down here. We will adjust that at a later time. But this side is all complete handbrake wise, so time to move over to that side.
This took 5 minutes to do.
5 minutes.
This is the longest process. I don't like this car. The video. Where's the video that I saw? Hold up. I gotta make it. Where's my alarm? Yep. Bro. Oh no, that made it horrible. So you have to actually see it like this. But then I'll be able to do this. Just imagine just this and then just cut to this doing that right now.
Alright, so now we're moving on to this side. We gotta put these on there, just like that side over there.
Oh, exactly upside down.
Good thing I just watched this jacket yesterday. Alright, so we just finished this. He's gonna pull that cable, make sure it works. And it works, it pulls out.
I gotta adjust the star, and that's it. Then the car's, what was this, 4 bolts? Oh, I also gotta put my bushing in.
What bushing?
This bushing that's been changed the whole time. I gotta put this in, and then my subframe could be actually, I could easily put this, I could put these in, and that's it. Then I could just work on everything like bracket-wise and stuff like that. But I also gotta figure out, where's it at? This has to go on.
Don't one of those have a broken bolt somewhere?
Not inside. So wait, one. So if that's broken, that's not even broken. That didn't even come off. So it's one. I don't know what goes in. Nothing goes in here. Nothing goes in here unless it's threaded in there, which is most likely threaded in there. And then a lot of bolts up everywhere. The main ones though are just this. This will actually hold the whole entire subframe up on the thing.
All right, so now with the subframe, everything installed on it. We got the bushings figured out. We watched a few YouTube videos here and there. So we're gonna first clean our workspace because it's a little messy. And then we're gonna move the subframe under the car, start jacking it up, and then so we can get the bolts in for all 4 corners. And then it'll be bolted down and installed.
Yeah, we'll be back when we're like actually like when this whole entire spot is cleaned up and like this is I'll have to put on the jack.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be back in a little bit, but yeah.
Alright, so we got the area mostly clean. We just gotta sweep this rust and dirt that fell off the car.
I hit myself with the car. Yo, look at the floor. It appeared again. Do you have a dustpan?
No, just
Yeah, we do. There's a little one right there.
that look. Just push it over there.
Yeah, I should have probably pushed it.
Oh, it's too late now.
Yo, who put them cables there?
Alright, so now we're gonna push the subframe under the car.
And this is exactly where.
Alright, so we got the subframe up. All the bolts are in. So as you can see, subframe is bolted. Don't look at that bolt. Back in the vehicle, we have all of the bolts back inside for the subframe. Again, don't look at that bolt.
Most of it is like done. So then, wait, e-brake cables are on, the e-brake shoes are on, hardware is on, and all that's left is just bolting every bracket and every single bolt back together, and calipers and rotors and coilovers. And that should be it to drop the car back on the floor and then move completely up to the front.
Yeah, imagine this. Wheels on it right now.
I'm not grabbing them, wheels are heavy, I'm not doing that. I was gonna grab one, but they're heavy. I'm not trying to do that.
So, all we gotta do basically finish up is that one single bolt right there. It goes in that corner. It wasn't lining up right, so we just gotta kind of shimmy it forward. Can we copyright for that?
Yes.
Oh. So,
Yeah, we get.
we just gotta finish bolting up basically everything for the brakes, coilovers.
We gotta adjust the brake shoe, like the brake cable.
Yeah, just the brake shoes on each
Star
side.
thing. I have everything done. And by I mean I as in Ian, I did not do a single thing. But it's almost done, which means that this car is almost on the road. Most likely, next video you guys see, it will be on the road. There's a very low possibility of it being on the road, but it'll be almost complete and almost back on the road. It might have the wheels on, just that's it. And the fender still might not be on. I still gotta remove that hood so I can transfer it to that, and also that headlight. I gotta do a headlight restoration on that. Yeah, that hood and that headlight needs to go in there. I still need to get the hood pins, install those, and a reservoir for my coolant. And that's actually it. After that, it should just drive, I think. I feel like I'm missing a couple things, but we'll see that. Yeah, I'll notice that whenever like we have the car more down the road, like done. But for right now, this is it.
Alright, so this is gonna be the closer for this video.
Yeah. We'll see what happens next time. Hopefully, car will be. Well, hopefully next video we will actually move up to the front, because I do be working on this off camera sometimes, but that is also a lie. But you'll see this very soon. And on the road, driving. Yeah, we done. You guys will see this one day. Maybe. We're not. Yeah.
Yeah, we're done.